Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can upload PDF documents to your tasks, chores and habits in the Any.do mobile app. For example, as clear instructions for the given task. So let us begin. Launch the Any.do application and navigate to all tasks here at the bottom. And after that, guys, what you want to do is select one of these tasks. So let me go with this one here, schedule YouTube video, just for the sake of this tutorial. This is going to open up that customization window here. So inside that window, guys, what you want to do is navigate to attachments or swipe down till you get to the attachment section. And from here, simply tap into that plus button in the bottom right corner. After that, select your source like camera, gallery, record video, voice note, or browse. Let me go with browse for the sake of this tutorial, and that is going to redirect you to your phone storage, guys. If you'd like to navigate to a specific folder in your storage, simply tap into these three lines in the top right corner. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to stay in the downloads folder and locate the PDF file I would like to upload. So swipe through that menu here and select the PDF file, tap into it, just like that. And after that, the given file will be uploaded to your task as an attachment. As you can see here, you can delete it or remove it as an attachment by tapping into that X button in the bottom right corner of the given file. And if you'd like to keep it, guys, simply swipe to the top and tap into save. And that is going to keep the given PDF document as an attachment for your task. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.